Right, I'm on the phone with Brian Sullivan, who is the Director of Marketing for the Boston Red Sox. And Brian, there's some exciting things happening at Fenway Park for the 4th of July weekend.
That's right. And first and foremost, thank you for having me on. I appreciate it. But you're exactly right. I think there's a lot of things that we're doing to kick off the summer right, and they're really all part of what we call our Calling All Kids initiative, and really part of our organizational commitment overall to kids and families to, one, provide greater access to Red Sox games, really create an awesome experience for them when they come to Fenway Park, and then ultimately strengthening, hopefully, their love for the game, both at Fenway and out in the community. So, as I said, what better way to kick off the summer and 4th of July with a couple of items. And the first thing we're doing is on Friday, July 3rd, after the conclusion of the Houston Astros game, we're having a post-game fireworks show. It's going to be a fun, pyrotechnic spectacular that's going to take place from behind the right field seating area, and all fans that are at the game are welcome to attend. It's going to be really set to a 4th of July kind of music ensemble, and it's something that we're pretty excited about, and I think it's going to be something that families really enjoy after the game.
That's the first time that Fenway's done fireworks in, I don't know, forever.
Yeah, I mean, certainly since I've been at the Red Sox, we haven't done it. It's one of those things that we felt that it was something we'd enjoy, always wanted to do, and it's something we felt like fans would really appreciate also, and something is festive. So we're giving it a try. We think it's going to be fun, and hopefully families come in and enjoy it.
So that's Friday, July 3rd, and the Red Sox are hosting Houston, which is, and that's kind of different because the Astros are back in the American League.
Yeah, that's definitely, and they're doing pretty well this year. So it's definitely and hopefully building a new rivalry. But it's definitely something that we're looking forward to. They have a pretty good team, and hopefully our team is up to the challenge.
All right, and then the 4th, obviously the 4th is the 4th. You have afternoon baseball, and then, because my gosh, there's everything on the half shell down the Esplanade and the Boston Pops, and then Sunday the 5th, you're doing something special as well.
That's right, and what we're doing on Sunday, July 5th, also during the Houston Astros game, is what we're calling Kid Nation Day, and it's really about, for us, celebrating all of our Kid Nation fan club members, which are going on almost 50,000 strong and growing. But really, any kid or family that wants to join is welcome to the festivities as well. And so what this is really all about is just having a bunch of games and a lot of activities for Kid Nation members and all kids and families, and special offers, things like, for example, $5 Aramark vouchers toward kids' concessions. So a lot of just things that are geared toward specific kids and geared toward letting our families have a great time at Fenway Park. There's in addition to that, we're having some special ticket packages that are really geared toward adding enhanced experiences for those families. So things like an ability to meet pre-game with Wally the Green Monster, as well as some special ticket packages with Wally's sock puppet giveaways. So really a lot of just festive and fun things that we think our Kid Nation members will enjoy, and really all kids would enjoy. So it's something that, again, we're looking forward to.
All right. Who doesn't love Wally? He's fantastic.
He's a fun guy, I got to admit. He's definitely a good mascot, and he puts a lot of energy into what he does, and certainly I think he helps to really create a great environment. I can tell you what, it's funny when you watch a lot of kids come into Fenway Park and you see all the players and stuff. Naturally, all the kids gravitate toward Wally, and they want his autograph, they want to take pictures, and he definitely creates a great scene.
All right, so that's Friday, July 3rd, fireworks at Fenway, and then right. Sunday, July 5th, it's Kid Nation Day.
Yep, that is absolutely correct. And if people want to find out more information, they're welcome to go to redsox.com. And if they want to sign up for a free Kid Nation membership as well, to make sure that they can take advantage of all the different activities and all the different benefits, that's also can be done at redsox.com/kidnation.
All right. 4th of July is all about mom, blueberries, in Maine at least, and strawberries and baseball. And there's nothing more, American than going to a baseball game, and the best place to do it is at Fenway Park.
I couldn't agree with you more. We think it's the best environment in all of baseball. It's not all of sports. It's definitely a treasure for us, and something we like to celebrate with all families in the community, and all fans for that matter.
All right, so the Red Sox are on the road right now. They're down in Tampa Bay starting tonight. Then they go to Toronto, and then they return home on Friday, July 3rd. So really, that's the next time to be able to see the Sox at Fenway Park.
That's right.
That's
absolutely correct.
All right. Well, have a great day. Happy 4th of July, and we'll hope that the park is packed on when the Red Sox return home.
Excellent. Thank you for having me, and hope everyone enjoys the 4th and come on down to Fenway Park. We'll be a good time.